Welcome to today's guided meditation to make someone so obsessed with you that they can't focus on anything else. After this meditation, they will be so obsessed with you that they won't be able to focus on school, work, family, or another person. Before getting started, make sure that you are lying down in a quiet, comfortable space and gently close your eyes. Start to bring awareness to your breath. You can do this by putting your hand on your belly as you take a deep breath in, making your belly rise, and a long breath out as you feel your belly sink in. Take a few more deep breaths in and out. And as you are breathing deeply, begin to visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their nose, their lips, their hair, their body. See everything that makes them unique. As you are visualizing your specific person, begin to imagine a time when you felt deeply in love with them. What is happening in this moment? What are they doing to make you feel this way? As you are imagining this moment, your heart begins to glow. It is being filled with your love energy. This love energy is growing stronger and stronger. As the love energy in your heart grows, stare into your specific person's eyes. Staring into their eyes is like connecting to them deep into their soul. You are seeing all of them, and they are seeing all of you as you continue to stare deep into their eyes. The heart energy is growing so much that it is starting to radiate out of your heart and travel through your entire body. This love energy travels down your legs, down your arms, and up your neck to the crown of your head. This love energy is becoming so big and strong that it is now seeping out of your entire body. As you are still staring into your specific person's eyes, this love energy is seeping from your soul to their soul. This love energy is now filling up their entire body. Everything you are feeling right now, they are also feeling. Feel all the love that you and your specific person are sharing right now. Take a few deep breaths in and out as you enjoy this feeling. Now start to bring awareness back to your body. See your specific person fade away, filled with the love that you two share. Feel your belly get bigger as you take a deep breath in, and feel your belly sink in as you take a long breath out. Your specific person is now filled of loving thoughts of you two together. They will not be able to get these thoughts off of their mind. They will obsess over these thoughts because of the good feelings they are giving them right now. This new obsession they have for you will make them want to replicate these feelings that you are both feeling right now. Embrace these feelings as you continue to take deep breaths in and long breaths out. One last deep breath in and long breath out. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they are so obsessed with me that they can't focus on anything else to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.